Hey guys, what are we doing?
We are building
A periscope.
A periscope? Where? What
Whoa! Home Depot, Home Depot.
At Home Depot. And we're gonna get your little accomplishment badge for doing enough building.
And you know what that means?
What does that mean?
The periscope?
What?
Spying.
Spying, that's right. It's good spy gear. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go! And get some spy gear. Yeah.
Okay, we're here at the Home Depot. You guys ready for adventure?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Use the force, open the door. Force. Horsepower. There it is.
Yay.
Good morning.
Good morning. You guys showed up all ready to go.
Yeah.
I can't find the pins.
We actually were hoping that you had the accomplishment pins too, because we've never got them.
Have them. Okay.
Yeah, 27.
You have how many now?
We both have 27.
Ha ha. Ha ha.
Yay.
I'm looking for the
Whoa.
one for today.
Is there just a 25 or are there others you can earn too?
That's just the 25.
Just the 25. Okay.
There should be a 10. Did you ever get a 10?
We never got a 10.
I don't have any 10s on me.
Okay. I did it.
Yay.
25. Good job. Good building.
Okay, so what do we have to do?
Open it. Ooh, shiny.
Yeah, shiny. Those will be the mirrors. I think you will have to peel that off, but don't peel it until you're ready for it, so you don't scratch it.
Peel off what side, the green or the blue?
Blue.
I'm gonna guess that the blue is gonna be the shiny side.
Do you have any 10 pins?
No, there we go.
We do. We got the 25. She had 25s. We finally arrived with our things on.
Congratulations!
And then we always. So that's for your 10.
Yeah.
That's for your 10. You want to save it till you're done building?
Is the next one going to be
I think that's.
silver?
I don't know if the. I think that's it. I don't think they have a diamond one for you. Yeah, high five, dude. Now it's looking pretty cool.
Bronze, silver, diamond.
Whoa. Power.
Yes?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can see your eyeball.
Good old plastic.
Hi.
Right there.
Duh.
Painting time.
I'm doing these colors
Why?
because it's close to Easter.
Those are nice Easter colors.
I know.
Do you think it'll be trademarked if I do the spy gear sign but in a different color?
Sure, you can put a spy gear sign on it.
Was it a trademark?
Oh, you think they're gonna sue you? You think they're gonna sue you for using their spy gear? You can put an SG on there. Do it. Put an SG. Oh, you mix the purple and the pink?
Yeah.
Nice. What was that face for?
I don't know.
That's a pretty color.
Are you making some kind of potion? What is that, some kind of experiment you got going there?
Yeah. Should it even out the
It's hard to write with paints. Oh yeah.
Oh, you put an SG on yours too?
Yeah.
Awesome. Show me. Did you paint your fingernails? Let me see. Let me see. Oh my goodness. With that? You goofball.
Spy gear.
Yay. Oh no, I can't.
You've made a mess.
I don't care.
There you go. Welcome.
See you next time. Thank you.
Welcome. We'll see you next month. Yeah, we do it every
Right.
month.
Oh, it looks like you set it down on paper and your SG got kind of smeared. We can fix it at home if you really care. I think you must have set it down while it was wet. Here, let me check yours out, Sophia. I want to see if this works.
wet.
I want to try to... Can I see you through the camera? Oh, I do. And let me see Nick. There's Nick. Look, I'm looking through the Periscope. Where'd you go? Hello.
No, wait, I have an idea.
Stop the camera.
I don't know if that's gonna work. We're trying to do this. Was that a cool one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was cool. That's what the world looks like to Dad. From way up here. See? Now you have Dad vision. And now you have red paint on your nose.
I didn't do anything.